I've had some problems with my Yamaha HS5's buzzing, and I know exactly why, and that is because I'm using unbalanced cables. Now, I do not know the specifics of how unbalanced and balanced works well enough to tell you about in depth what that issue is, but today I'm going to be unboxing these new cables that I bought. They are 3 feet braided TRS cables that have a right angle at one end. So let's get this unboxed. Unbagged, I should say. Here's one of them. I can see here that this is a balanced cable by it having 2 connections on each side. So balanced has 2 little stripes and unbalanced just has 1. Okay, so this is one of them, and then here's the other one. Now, the reason that I got these specifically is because the angle on one end can go on my audio interface like this, from the bottom of it straight up, and then into the back of the monitor. Now, as far as the cables go themselves, they feel really good quality, and they should probably work just fine. I love braided cables because they generally are better quality, and they feel nicer to use. Okay, let's undo this here, and unwind it. Look at that. This is great. Feels good, kind of feels like a rope. Small rope because it's braided, but you can wrap it like this and there you go. The other one, just like it. And also these have the screw-on ends. So if it ever breaks on the ends, you should be able to screw it off and pull it out and fix it, which is nice to have. That's it for this video. If you have any questions about these cables, leave it in the comments below. If they fix my issue, I'll leave a pinned comment down in the comments section so you can see if it worked. Anyway, that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.